and the first thing to do is to put in a section line. I'm going to just go over here and I'm going to put in a section line on my my layers over here, so you know how to do that, hopefully. Go over here and you're going to get a line. I'm going to section through this door over here, so I'm going to click in there and I'm going to press shift so that it goes, so it doesn't make it go all wiggly woggly over there. You can see that's going straight down. Click on that. Right, I'm just sectioning just through the door, just a partial section of this door. I'm going to draw some little triangles over here for the viewpoint. So I go over here to where it says polygon, click on polygon over there, click, you can see that I've got a triangle, and I come down over here, press tab, make sure that that says 3 over there, press tab, press 0, press tab, tab, and I would suggest that you go with a 400mm size over there. Right, once you've got that, select the arrow over there, select that little triangle, right click, just get the reference point over here, edit reference point, zoom in, put that reference point over there, right click, make a rubber stamp, go over here and stick a triangle there and stick a triangle there, press escape and just press delete to get rid of that. Right, okay, once you've got the section line in, you need to label it. Take A, right click, go to properties, okay, I'd say that 400 height for the lettering, so if you just go over there and say 400, enter, put a nice little click there and press A, okay, click out there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select that, make a rubber stamp of it, put the A where I actually want it, put the A where I actually want it, and press escape and delete. You can see when I press delete, that will disappear. Right, once I've got that in place, I now know that I'm sectioning through a door. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to view. Right, so we've now drawn the section line in. What we need to do now is to draw the sectional view going through that door. To do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to view, you're going to go to 3D views, and you're going to go to the front view. Let's just go to front, there we go. Right, let's just zoom that in over there. Right, I'm wondering what this line is over here. Just going to delete that, I don't know what it is. Right, okay. Okay, what I've got now is I've got the house, I've got the roof. That roof angle looks a bit too steep. Let me just, first of all, change the work plane. Okay, so you come up over here just underneath modes, and it says plane by active view. Okay, just get that, make sure that you click on plane by active view, and now I should be able to select stuff, okay, on there. Right, there's my roof, and I'm going to do properties of that roof, and I'm going to change that to 25 degrees. Okay, right, that looks a little bit better. Could even lower it a bit more. Okay, once I've got that, let's press escape. If I didn't press that plane by active view, and I came along here to do the construction lines, they would just stay in the one position. Now you can see that that is exactly what's happening. So just press escape, go to plane by active view again, plane by active view, and now if I go to those construction lines, you'll see that I'm able to move them up and down, which is what I need. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to mark the bottom of that. I'm going to just zoom in a little bit so you can see. So that's the finished floor level that I've got. The top of the door, the top of the wall over there. Okay, that's quite important. And I can now draw a construction line coming down over here. Once I've got that in place, I'm going to just take these measurements over here, and I'm going to use these measurements that I've got for the foundation over here. Press parallel lines, okay, and the first one that I'm going to do is this 880 going down. Press tab, 880, okay, that is the offset over there. Press enter, and I'm going to go 880 millimeters down over there. It's quite deep. Then I'm going to press 780, tab 780, press enter, come down to that construction line over there. That gives me the concrete slab. Tab 480, press enter, click that over there. Tab 200, press enter, click that there, that gives me the foundation. Tab 300, okay, and I'll tell you why I'm going to do 300. 300 is the size of the foundation. I'm going to click on that line, push 300 on that side, and push 300 on that side, and I have now got that little rectangle that I need for my foundation. I'm going to come in over here, and I'm going to select the little rectangle. You can see that I've got that layer of section over there, and I'm going to click there and click there, giving me that foundation over there. Right, next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some walls. Right, I'm going to say that my wall thickness is 220, so I'm going to get my parallel lines again, and I press tab 110, press enter, and put 110 on that side, 110 on that side, and I've got my 220 wall thickness over here. Once I've got that, I'm going to then draw a line going up from the very bottom over here, going all the way up to the top of the wall. You can see the top of the wall coming across from there. Right, I'm going to draw a little line coming down, or a little line coming across from there to the middle of the wall. I'm going to press my parallel lines again, and I'm going to go 86, tab 86, that's the size of one brick coming down, so I'm going to go click there. I can now draw in a line coming down over there from there to there, clicking across from there to there, and I'm going to click a line coming all the way down to the bottom. Okay, we're not going to need that line coming all the way down. In fact, let's not do that. Control Z, let's get a brain here. Right, so I'm going to come down to the concrete slab. Click over there. Go across to the middle wall. Click over there. Click down from there to there. Click down from there to there. Click down all the way down to the bottom over there. Right. I'm going to put in a construction line coming across over here. I'm going to extend my concrete slab coming across to that construction line over there. So I'm actually just going to draw a little bit of a line coming down here. We can erase it later. There we go. Escape. Right, I'm going to go over here to where it says extend lines. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say click on that and click on that. Click on that. Click on that. There's my line coming across there. I'm going to draw a line coming across from there to get the hardcore fill side. I'm going to click a line coming across from there to there. I'm going to draw a construction line coming down over here. Let's draw a line coming across from the natural ground level, which is over here, coming across to there. Line coming down from there to there, line coming across from there to there. Right, once I've got that, I can then put a little line coming across over here for the top of the door. Get your parallel lines. In fact, let's just go to parallel line over there. Go over here. Press, it says offset of 86 millimeters already. That's what the last thing that I did. Otherwise, press tab and 86. Click on that line, that little line, and go up over there. That gives me the lintel that I need on top of my door. I'm going to draw a little line going across over here. Line coming across from there to there. I need to draw a line parallel line over here, click on that. Tab 20, okay, that's for the concrete screed over here. I'm going to click on that, right, and I'm going to draw a line going from there all the way across to that line that I've got over here. Right, once we've got that in place, I'm just going to trim this little line over here. Let's just press trim, and I'm going to click on the line over there. Click on line, press enter, click on that to get rid of that little piece of line in there. Okay, once I've got that, next thing is to do the hatching of all of this stuff. Okay, let's start with concrete hatching. Our concrete is going to be in the foundation, on the slab, and on the lintel over there. To start, I'm just going to get rid of all the constructions, press clearing of constructions. I need to draw in a little line over here, which seems to be missing there, from there to there. Right, okay. What we need to do is we can either go to where it says draw over there and come down to where it says hatching or hatches. You can either do what they call path hatching or pick point hatching. If you're lucky, pick point hatching works just fine. Path hatching is a little bit more different. I'll show you how to use both quickly. Okay, so you can either click on pick point hatching there or path hatching over there, or you can come in over here to the little tab over there and you get the same stuff over here. There's pick point hatching or path hatching over there. Right, let's go pick point hatching, and I'm going to start out with my concrete. Concrete is that point over there. Before you just click in there, you need to change the properties of your concrete. Make sure that your scale for that concrete is 15. Okay, press OK. Click in there, you've got concrete there. Click in there, you've got concrete there. And click in there, you've got concrete there. Right, next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do the sand for the screed. It says sand over here, it's little dots. Click on that. Right, for the sand, the screed, right click, go to the properties, and I'm going to say change that to 20. Press OK, go into your screed over there, push that in there, and you've got the screed layer. Right, once you've got that, next thing that you're going to do is you're going to put in the undisturbed earth. Right, so we're going to go in over here, and we're going to choose the earth. Where is that now? Earth. Can you find it? There it is. Earth 2. Click on that. Right click, go to the properties of the earth, and you are going to change the scale over here to 250. Okay. And you're going to change the angle to 45 degrees. Press OK. You're going to click in there, click in there. That gives the undisturbed earth story. And then you're going to do the hardcore fill. Actually, no, let's do the walls first, and then I'll talk to you about hardcore fill. Right, let's go to the walls first. You need to select this one. It says ANSI or ANS 132. Click on that. Okay. Right click for the properties of that. The properties for the wall, just change the scale over here to 150. And the angle, press that at 0, press OK, click in there, and click in there. There's the wall hatching done. Right. The hatching for the hardcore fill, there is something that can sometimes be used over here, but unfortunately for what I've got over here, it just doesn't work. So what I'd suggest you do, you just need to draw these 45-degree lines coming across here. Let's press it. Just going to go over there. I'm going to go and select my angular line over there. Click in there. Get the slant at tab 45, enter. Okay. Escape. Go up to the top over there. Tab 135, enter. Escape. And now you're going to draw a line going from there up to there, from there going down to there. You're then going to just select that, select those two lines, right click, edit the reference point, put it over there, down at the bottom corner over there, and you're now going to right click and you're going to rubber stamp, click, click, and click, escape. Just going to select that line and just delete that. Right. Okay, once you've got that in place, you're pretty much done with most of the stuff that you need to do on this thing. Right, we're going to now put in a wooden door frame. Okay, let's just do a little wooden door frame over here. There are some dimensions for a wooden door frame. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see them. Right, 135, 55, 45, and 67 going over there. Zoom that right out. Okay, and I'm just going to switch those lights off again. Right, let's do the door frame. Edit, clear all constructions. I don't like too many construction lines on my page. So I'm going to come in over here. Let's just get a construction line going somewhere over here. Click there. Click there. Parallel construction lines. I said 135. Tab 135. Enter. Click on that line. That gives you the 135 coming across over there. 67 coming down. Tab 67. Enter. Click on that coming down over there. Tab 55. Enter. Click on that line over there. Okay. Tab 45, enter. Click on that going over there. Right, that's that done. And I'm now going to use my lines, draw lines going from there to there. Zoom in from there to there, from there to there, from there to there, from there, from there to there, from there to there. Right, my problem is that this door frame that I've drawn is actually facing in the wrong direction. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select it, select that whole thing, and I'm going to mirror it. Okay, there's the little mirror sign up there. Click on that point, click on that point, there it is, and just delete the original. Right, now I'm going to select it again, select my door frame, right click, go to edit reference point, put it in the middle over there, and now I'm going to zoom that across to the middle of the door. Right, there we go, there's my door frame, press escape, and what I'm going to do now is clear all the construction lines, edit, clear all constructions. I'm going to draw some construction lines coming down over here, from there, and from there. Right, and I'm now going to draw some lines from there, coming down to the bottom. And there, the line coming from there, down to the bottom over there. From there, coming down to the bottom over there. Right, there we go. There's the door and the door frame and everything in place. Let's edit, clear all constructions, door frame, everything's in place. Last thing that we need to do is to draw in a wall plate over here. So let's start out and we say that we need a 38mm door frame. I'm going to go over here, not door frame, 38mm wall plate. Parallel line, tab 38, press enter, click on that, there we go, 38mm going up over there. I'm just going to draw a little construction line going straight up over there. I'm going to come in over here, draw a little rectangle from there to, sorry, let's just escape that, from that point coming down to that point. Draw a line going from there to there and from there to there. Right, there's my wall plate in place. I said that my roof angle was 20 degrees. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line, a construction line. Go to the top of the wall plate over there, and you're going to press tab 20 degrees. I think it was 20 degrees. I think that's right. Let's just check. No, it was 25 degrees. Escape, Control Z. Let's do that again. I'm just going to edit, clear all construction lines. Right, let's go in here again. There. Tab 25, enter. That looks a bit better. Yeah, that's the same angle as my roof over there. Press escape. Right. Okay. The roof truss that I'm going to use is 144. So I'm going to go over here, press parallel lines, tab 144, press enter. Click on there, go up there. Draw a line going across over here. Go to the parallel lines, still 144, so click on there. Right. Once I've got that, I'm going to just draw a little construction line coming out from the bottom of the roof over here. All right, that gives me where the end of the roof is going to be. And I'm going to drop a line coming down over there. There we go. That gives me the overhang. Right, once I've got that, I'm just going to draw a construction line going up over there, and I'm going to then draw in some lines for my roof truss. So there, up to there, there, down to there, there, up to that point over there, continue it out to there, draw a line coming across over here, draw a line coming across over there. Right, I would like to put in a little strut over here, so I'm going to say, just get my calculator up, and I say 90 plus the 25 is equal to 115, okay, go to there, press on that, go to this point over here, go tab 115, enter, okay. That gives me a 90-degree angle at that point over there. I'm going to go in here, press on that, it says 114, and I have a parallel line 114. I'm going to draw in some lines going from there down to there, from there down to there. That looks lovely. Right, once I've got that, I'm just going to clear some of those construction lines again. All constructions. Right. I'm going to draw a construction line 70 millimeters up. I'm going to be putting the purlins on top of this thing. So tab 70, enter, and I'm going to click on that line over there, and there's my 70 millimeters going up over there. I now draw a line at an angle from there, tab 115, enter. Okay, escape. The thickness of my my purlins is 50, so the thickness of the purlins is 50. So I'm going to go in over here. I'm going to click on the parallel line, tab 50, enter. Go over there, click on that line to get that in place. Right, I'm just going to zoom in over here. You can see that. Click on that. You can come down here to the rotated rectangle. Click on that, come down over here, click on that to get my rectangle in place. Just draw two little lines going across it like that and like that. Right. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this, and it says that the spacing between the purlins is 900 between centers. So I'm going to go to my parallel lines now, click on the parallel line, tab 900, press enter. Oh, sorry, let's just get that right again. Tab 900, there we go, that's correct. And I'm going to click on this outside construction line, click over there, go over here, click over there, click over there. Right, I think before I continue, I'm just going to draw a line coming out over here, just Shift, make it go all the way out there, so that we've got a line to stop it at some stage. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select my little purlin over there. So just go around there, right, edit the reference point, click that on there, tab, right click, and you need to make a rubber stamp. Right, once we've got the rubber stamp, you're going to come in over here and click, go to there and click, go to there and click. Right, there are the purlins in place. I'm just going to draw in a little construction line coming down about at that point over there, just to get a bit of a roof overhang sort of idea where the sheeting can come to an end. Take that back to there. There's my roof on top, my roof sheeting on top. I need to draw in a fascia board. It says over here my fascia board is 300 by 20, so I'm going to come in over here, go to the rectangle over there. Let's go to that point over there. Okay, if you look down here, it says the size A and size B. I'm going to press tab 220 and tab 300. Press enter. There's the fascia board in place. Right, once I've got that, I need to put some branding in over here. So I'm just going to put a little construction line coming across over here. There we go. And I'm going to draw a little 45-degree line. Just start it about over there. Just slightly out. Tab 45, enter. Escape. All right, you can see my construction line going at 45 degrees over there. I'm going to draw in a construction line from that point and from that point. That'll give me my little square that I need. I'm going to come in over here to a little square story over there. Put little diagonal lines going across it from there to there, from there to there. Get the centers for the branding. It says the ceiling board is on branding strips, and they want 540 millimeter between centers. So I'm just going to go over here, and I'm going to just get a parallel line, and I'm going to go 540. So tab highlights that little point, 540, enter, go to that line over there, click it over there, that over there, that over there, right, and I'm now going to select my branding. So there we go. No, let's get that part of it. Right, let's just check that I actually have that. Right click, and we can edit the reference point. We're wanting it over there. Right click, make a rubber stamp. There we go. And we're going to come over here, click it over there, click it over there, and click it over there. Right, once we've got that, let's just draw a line coming across to represent the ceiling board. Okay, it says that the ceiling board is 10 millimeters, so I'm going to go over there, parallel line, tab, 10 millimeters, enter, and click on this line over there, and that gives me my 10 millimeter ceiling board coming down. Right, okay, that is basically everything that you need. Edit, clear all constructions, and there is everything that you need as far as the actual drawing. I need to put in some labels. So to do the labels, we need to first of all get this over here, and right click properties of the writing. Now we don't want it necessarily 400 millimeter high writing. Let's make that about 200. Okay, let's go in over here, click over there, NGL, right, click over there. Now that NGL is not quite in the right place, so we just move it to where it's going to be a little bit better. I need to write in DPC, click on A over there, click over there, DPC, DPC. Okay, also it's not quite in the right place, click on it, get it to where you actually want it, over there, right, and that is everything that you need over there, right. Oh yes, finish floor level, I forgot to do that. Tab, get the A, click on there, FFL, right, click over there. I'm just going to move it slightly up, just very slightly up to about there. I'm going to draw in a line going from there, shift going across to there. I'm going to come over here to that little dot over there, click over there, go to the arrow entity, right click, properties of the arrow entity, says it's got 100mm, that'll do. Click over there and go to the finished floor level, which is on top of the screen. Right, there we go, that is everything that I need. Okay, press save.